You're watching Trebon Designs by B. Rhodes. I'm excited to announce I'm partnering with King of Christmas, one of the premier companies in holiday decor. The good people at King of Christmas were gracious enough to send me a list of items to choose from, and I thought the 24-inch Prince flock wreath would be the best. It's adorned with 120 classic tips as well as warm LED lights. I'm just going to say, this is an absolutely gorgeous wreath. I wanted a frosted look to go with the rest of my theme in my home. My Christmas tree as well as a few other items that I'm decorating with are in this same flocked look. As you can see, this wreath is great on its own, but I'm really looking forward to decorating it and really going all in. And here's the finished product. As you can see, I adorned this 24-inch flocked King of Christmas wreath with a large bow that accompanies two different types of ribbon in both gold and blush. It also is featured with snow-covered flowers in ivory. Lastly, King of Christmas was so generous that they're offering any of my followers and subscribers 10% off of any item they purchase. All you need to do is use my coupon code, which is Trebon Designs, all in caps. And make sure you do that right before you check out. Once again, I would like to give a special thank you to King of Christmas for this collaboration opportunity. I hope that everyone that's watching this video has a happy holiday season and a very Merry Christmas.